Add power and purpose to any drawer with docking drawer outlets, clearing countertop cord and device clutter for more organized spaces. Your docking drawer outlet comes with everything needed for installation, including our photo buying card, a detailed installation manual including drawer cutout templates, a metal cover plate in the finish of your choice, all 7 screws needed for mounting, and your docking drawer outlet, complete with cable management arms that guide and protect the power cord as the drawer opens and closes. Docking drawer outlets are simple to install using only basic tools and can be added to new or existing drawers of any type. Add in drawer outlets to bathroom vanity drawers, create convenient powered appliance pullouts in the kitchen, and dedicated charging drawers in the living room, office, closets, mudrooms, and beyond. Choose Docking Drawer, the smart, simple, and safe solution for in-drawer power.